Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English reader class. Today we'll revise lesson 2. Today I will explain this poem and you have to write the summary of this poem in your note copy. Okay? I hope yesterday I have sent you the PDF of this question answers of this chapter. I hope you have completed it. So now we see the poem Nature's Way, written by Hattie Campbell. Here in this poem, Hattie Campbell convey a message to the people, or he wants to say that people or we human beings have to reflect towards the nature, or we have to look to the nature. We have to spend some time with the nature. In this poem, we will see that how beautifully the poet has used the senses to recognize or to see the nature. Here we can see the feel. Since she has used, poet has used the feel how we can feel by the skin, and smell by nose, hear by ears, watch by eyes, and fifth one the poet has not used, but we ourselves we can able to use the taste by the our mouth whenever whatever we are eating the fruits or the vegetable of the season of the spring season. By that we can able to recognize the nature. Okay, so here the poet is talking about the mid-spring day. Okay, she or he, the poet, telling about the spring season, mid-spring season. She is conveying a message to the how the beautiful day at the spring season. So here, once night midday, let's take a look at the nature's way. Here the poet is saying that we have to take a look at the mid-spring day. Breathe the scent of the nice fresh air. She is saying that we have to take a breath. हमें ताज़े हवा को सांस लेना है जिससे कि हम उसकी सुगंध को सूंघ सकें. Feel the breeze within your hair. हम उसे अपने बालों से महसूस कर सकें वो हवा को. The grass will poke between your toes. When you will walk in the grass, what will happen? You will feel that the grass is pushing you in your legs. Smell the flowers with your nose. Now the poet is saying that smell the flower with your nose. आप फूलों को अपने नोज से अपने नाक से सूंघो. Clouds form shapes within the sky. उस समय क्या होता है, क्लाउड में पूरी बादल बन जाते हैं और अलग अलग शेप्स के बादल दिखाई देते हैं. एंड लाइट विल ग्लिस्टन फ्रॉम योर आइज़. और उस समय क्या होता है, उस समय लाइटनिंग होती है और आपकी आँखों में चमकने लगेगी. बिजली कड़कती है ना, दैट थिंग. ओके, hear the buzzing of the bees. You will hear from your ears that the bees are moving around and they are making noise of the vibrating noise. Climb the tall willow trees. Willow tree means flexible branches like beans plants. जो दूसरे प्लांट्स को क्लाइम करके चढ़ते हैं, वो उन पेड़ों को देखोगे कि कैसे वो बड़े बड़े पेड़ों में भी वो अपने स्टीम के द्वारा वो ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं उनके ऊपर. लुक अक्रॉस द मेडो वे. मेडो मीन्स ग्रास लैंड. अब तुम देखोगे कि जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रास भरा रहता है वहाँ पूरी हरियाली है. एंड यू शैल सी अ यंग डियर प्ले. और वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि हिरन वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, डियर खेल रहा है. पिक द डेजीज एंड दे ग्रो. जब डेजी बड़े हो जाते हैं तो आप उससे ले लो. एंड वॉच जेंटल कोल्ड स्ट्रीम फ्लो. और जो वहाँ पे झरना जो बह रही है, ठंडी झरना, उसे देखो. नो द साउंड ऑफ द वाटर स्लैश. और उनके आवाज़ को सुनो कैसे वो बह रहे हैं. catch its glimmer in a flash. जब उन पे सन की रोशनी पड़ती है तो वो कैसे शाइन होते हैं. Look at that beautiful scene. When all together all seems sound, lay yourself upon the ground. जब सारे साउंड एक साथ सुनाई दें तो क्या कहता है ऑथर, आप अब लेट जाओ ग्राउंड में एंड टेक अ मोमेंट टू इनहेल, और लेट के आप आराम से सांस लो. एंड लिसन टू द नेचर टेल हर टेल्स, और नेचर को अपनी कहानी बताने का मौका दो. Dear students, in this poem we have seen that how the author is making a interesting towards us to relate with the nature, listen to the nature, and many answers we are getting from the nature. So he says that we have to give some time to the nature, or spend some time with gardening, or looking at the nature, so that you can get many messages, or any problem you are facing, that messages you can able to get from the nature. So he says that all the five senses, when we are using to relate with the nature, then of course we will get the some tales, some story from the nature. Okay, we can able to get the story, and that story make us the interesting in our life. Okay, dear students, you can write the moral of the story also, and write the summary of this poem. Okay, I hope you have understood this beautiful poem. Thank you and have a nice day.